Welcome, everyone. Glad you could join us. We've been really digging into some fascinating stuff lately, and honestly, it's taken us down some pretty cool, unexpected routes.
Yeah, absolutely.
So today, we wanted to chat about this really unique ebook we came across. It's from 420formulator.com,
Mm-hmm.
and the guy behind it is Mike Harmon, sometimes known as the 420 Formulator. He's actually a retired pro cosmetologist, decades of experience
Right.
making custom stuff for salons, spas.
Right. So he really knows his stuff when it comes to formulations.
Exactly, which makes this whole thing even more interesting.
And what really grabbed me, aside from all the great practical advice, is the story behind this particular ebook. It's got this, well, very unique title
Oh, yeah?
and how it got that name. It's brilliant, actually. Kind of funny, too.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Let's get into it. The title is Off Your Face Creams, which, yeah, definitely sticks in your mind. So what's the story?
Well, Mike tells this great story about his late partner, Albert. Albert was Dutch, and he grew his own cannabis. Apparently, this was Mike's first real encounter with the plant.
Ah, right. So Albert the gardener.
Pretty much. So one time, Albert had this fresh harvest, all dried, and he just sort of casually said, "Hey, wonder if we could use this in skincare."
And Mike, with his background.
Exactly. Mike thought, well, why not? So they decided to macerate it, basically, steep it, infuse it, some of Albert's fresh stuff into different vegetable oils.
Your first experiment mixing cannabis and skincare.
Yep, their very first go. And apparently, it was a huge success.
Okay, but here's where the off your face part comes in, I'm guessing.
You got it. This is the best bit. Mike says Albert, being Albert, just slathered this cream everywhere, all over.
Oh, boy.
And about half an hour later, well, things started happening. Mike remembers Albert just beaming at himself in the mirror, saying, "I don't know how well this beauty cream works, but I feel gorgeous."
Oh, no way.
Yes. And then apparently just collapsed on the floor, rolling around, laughing his head off.
Amazing. So that's where the name came from?
That's it. Albert instantly called it his off-your-face cream. Probably because maybe they put just a tad too much cannabis in that first batch.
Just a touch.
Just a touch. And that hilarious moment, which was over 30 years ago now, that's how the book got its name. And it really kicked off Mike's whole journey exploring cannabis as, a therapeutic thing.
That's a fantastic origin story. So, okay, moving beyond just a funny anecdote, what's the takeaway for us? Why put cannabis on your skin rather than, the usual ways?
Well, it's actually a really, really effective way to get the benefits, and quite elegant, too. Your skin can take in all those good things, the antioxidants, the terpenes, the cannabinoids.
Right, directly.
Without, for most people anyway, the sort of head high you might get otherwise. It's about using the whole plant's potential.
Makes sense.
And you see that reflected in the product names in the book, actually. Some use CBD, and they're more focused on pain relief, well-being, that kind of thing. Then others use THC, and they lean more into the fun side, the recreational aspect.
Mhm.
It shows how versatile it can be.
Right, so it's not just one thing. Is this where that entourage effect idea fits in? The idea that it's not just THC or CBD, but everything working together.
Precisely. Yeah, the entourage effect is just fascinating. It's this idea that all the different bits in the plant cannabinoids, yes, but also terpenes, flavonoids, all of it, they work together synergistically.
Like a team effort.
Exactly. It's the whole symphony, not just one instrument. And that creates, a much broader, maybe more powerful effect than just one isolated compound could ever do on its own.
Okay.
And a big part of how these recipes are designed is around microdosing.
Ah, right. Using small amounts.
Yeah, really small amounts. Enough to help manage pain or just boost your sense of well-being. But crucially, you stay completely clear-headed. You can function totally normally.
So it's subtle.
Very subtle, but effective. A really nice way to weave it into your self-care.
This is really interesting because the book isn't only about the cannabis aspect, is it? Mike brings in all these other really special ingredients too. It feels very thoughtful, like proper high-end skincare.
Oh, absolutely. It's about making genuinely natural and effective products. And he shares all these sort of insider tips, ingredients you probably wouldn't find in your average high street cream.
Like what kind of things?
Well, he talks about some amazing vegetable oils like meadow foam seed oil.
Meadow foam. Never heard of it.
Right. But it's great stuff. Sinks in super fast, no greasy feeling, locks in moisture, apparently helps unblock pores too, plus antioxidants for lines and wrinkles.
Wow. Okay.
Then there's tiger nut oil, which sounds like a nut, but it's actually from a root tuber, so it's fine if you have nut allergies.
Good to know.
And this one's packed with phytosterols, helps skin cells renew faster, Really good for dry, flaky, sensitive skin, softens lines, leaves your skin feeling like silky, velvety, really nice.
Sounds luxurious.
Yeah.
What about other things like butters and waxes? Let's get into those with his background.
Oh, yeah. He loves mango butter. Says it's brilliant for fighting wrinkles, repairing damaged skin, even helps with stretch marks. And again, no greasy feel.
Nice.
And for waxes, he suggests rice bran wax. It's a vegan alternative to beeswax, but it's a bit harder.
Oh, so good for...
Lip balms, things you don't want melting in your pocket if it gets warm.
Clever. Okay, so you've got oils, butters, waxes.
Yeah.
What about the things that actually make it all work together, the technical bits?
He covers those too. Emulsifiers, for example, you need those to get oil and water to actually mix properly, right?
The magic ingredient?
Kind of. He mentions one called Montanove 68. It creates this cool liquid crystal thing that feels really light but hydrates deeply over time, like a second skin almost. And then there's something called phytospherics. It comes from corn, totally natural, and this stuff is apparently amazing smooth skin, reduces wrinkles, evens out skin tone, helps renew collagen and hyaluronic acid.
Wow, that sounds like a powerhouse.
It really does. And of course, preservatives. You need those to keep things stable and safe. He talks about gentle ones like Euxili PE 9010, which is apparently safe enough for baby products.
That's reassuring. And finally, essential oils. They must play a role, especially with his aromatherapy background.
Absolutely. They're not just for smell, though the smells are lovely. He chooses them for their benefits, too. Like Rosalina essential oil. It's sweet, woody, bit like eucalyptus. Really calming for achy joints, stiff muscles.
Sounds nice.
Or green mandarin essential oil. That one's really uplifting. Helps clear congested skin, gets the circulation going.
So you get the scent and the action.
Exactly. It's all very holistic.
Okay, so we've talked ingredients.
Yeah.
Let's picture someone getting this ebook. They're ready to start. What kind of things can you actually make? What are some of the formulations?
Oh, the range is brilliant. You can make some really professional feeling stuff. It shows how versatile this whole approach is. It's not just one niche thing.
Right.
So for everyday stuff, there's the Happy Hand Cream. Uses rice bran oil. It's made to help with aches in your fingers, sort out ragged cuticles, helps your nails grow healthy, and no greasy hands afterwards.
Always a bonus with hand cream.
Definitely. Or the Floaty Foot Cream. That's got olive oil and urea, really good for dry skin, softening up calluses. It's thick and rich, good for a proper massage, but doesn't leave your feet slippery.
Okay, practical stuff. What else?
Well, there's the mind-blowing massage cream that uses that meadowfoam seed oil we mentioned, plus diol-panthenol, gives really good slip for massage, but hydrates fast. Apparently you can use it as an all-purpose cream too.
Versatile.
And for sore spots, there's the sore joint jelly made with rice bran oil and this really cool ingredient called Sucragel AOF. It starts off like Vaseline, really thick, so you can work it into a specific area. But then, and this is the cool part, add a few drops of water onto your skin where you applied it, and it instantly turns into a milky lotion.
Whoa, that's clever.
Isn't it? Really smart formulation.
Okay, any really luxurious treats in there?
Oh, yes. There's the Ballista body butter. That's got marula oil, mango butter, olive squalane. It's like a cream, really rich, sinks in beautifully, fights wrinkles, proper pampering.
Sounds divine.
And maybe the most indulgent,
Go.
the magical massage candle.
A massage candle?
Yeah, with mango butter, soy wax, marula oil. You light it, the wax melts, but it melts into this warm, amazing massage oil that doesn't burn you.
Seriously?
Seriously. Perfect for like soothing, achy wrists or knuckles after a long day typing or something. Pure luxury.
That sounds incredible. What else quickly? Any other formats?
Let's see. Oh, a cool conditioner bar, solid bar, uses BTMS 25 and cetearyl alcohol. Use it in the shower on wet hair or even smooth it on damp skin after. Conditions beautifully.
Eco-friendly too.
No plastic bottle.
Exactly. And a lip-smacking lip balm?
Yeah.
Rice bran oil, cocoa butter, rice bran wax. He calls it world class, and it gives you that little cannabis microdose too.
Very. Oh, and the spray, that again, body oil. Uses that tiger nut oil and something called isomalurate. It's super light, sinks in instantly, feels almost powdery, not oily, and you can spray it on. Easy.
Face or body?
Either. All purpose.
Oh, that's... Hang on, did I miss one? There was one called Rear Enders.
Yes, that one. It uses cannabis-infused olive oil and cocoa butter. It's, well, it's a suppository formulation.
Okay, right.
Yeah, it's an interesting application method. Some people find it really effective for just taking the edge off, as Mike puts it, without any head high at all. And apparently it's a great way to use up any leftover infused oils you might have.
Huh. Okay, well, that really covers a lot of ground. So with all these different products and the option for THC or CBD,
Yeah.
the big question is dosage, right?
Mhm.
How do you figure out what's right for you?
Yeah, that's super important. And the book really stresses this. It's
Yeah.
all about personalizing it.
Trial and error.
Pretty much. Start small. That's the key message. Make notes, see how it feels. Then you can adjust the amount of cannabis you infuse into the oil next time. Make it milder, make it stronger, whatever works for you.
Find your own sweet spot.
Exactly. It's all about finding your balance, getting those benefits, especially for things like pain management, but staying totally functional, totally coherent. That's the beauty of microdosing topically.
Yeah, you can really see why we were so keen to talk about this. It's such a fascinating approach, blending real skincare science with the benefits of cannabis. This ebook sounds like a real gem.
It really is. And if you're listening and thinking, yeah, I'd love to try making some of this spa quality stuff myself, you can find the ebook Off Your Face Creams on 420formulator.com.
Right, 420formulator.com.
And honestly, while you're there, have a proper look around the site. It's not just this one book. Mike's packed it with tons more recipes, loads of info on different creams, lotions, essential oils, plus how-to guides for all sorts of professional formulations. It's an amazing resource he's put together.
It really sounds like it. Like
Yeah.
having I don't know, a super knowledgeable friend just sharing all their best formulation secrets with you makes it feel really accessible.
Totally.
So maybe something for you listening to think about. How could bringing some of these kinds of personalized, maybe even luxurious formulations into your own routine change how you approach your self-care, your well-being?